Hey y'all, just want to share some big news with you. We now have a membership program for the channel. Look down below next to the subscribe button, you'll see a join button. Now, you don't have to do this, it's strictly on a voluntary basis. If you want to do this, that's great, it will really help us out. If you don't, that's fine, you'll still enjoy all the great content we've been putting out. So, here's what's going to happen. When you click that join button, you'll see a couple tiers pop up. There's two of them right now. Now, we are just starting this out. It's going to change, going to evolve. There's going to be different things. The first tier is called Channel Supporter. For $1.99 a month, you get a loyalty badge next to your name, and every comment you leave, live chats, whatever, plus access to the community tab, members only stuff that we can post. Like if I post a picture and stuff, I can post it to the members only, and only the channel members can see the post and what have you. I'll get into that in just a minute. The next tier is $4.99. It's channel member. With that one, your name will scroll across the screen at the end of every video showing that you are a channel member and a supporter of this channel. And we really do appreciate that. But like I said before, this is strictly voluntary. If you feel like you can do this and feel like you want to do this, we really appreciate this. It's just another way to help support this channel and can help us continue to grow. Would love nothing more to do this full time, and it just takes support to do it. So if you feel like doing this, great. Now, the membership part, as far as the behind the scenes stuff, in the community tab on the members only part, if you decide to become a channel member or supporter, either one, uh, I might put some polls out there about what to cook this week. I might put pictures out of just cooks I'm working on during the week. May just have a little chat or whatever, who knows, but all that'll be available to only the members of the channel, or members and supporters. Now, this is an ever-evolving thing. Now, the perks may change a little bit. When I say change, be added to. Maybe more perks added to each level. We may even add a level on eventually. But for right now, it's kind of a testing phase, I guess you'd say. So this is where we're at with them two levels. So I hope you really do, consider. If you feel like clicking the join button, we really would appreciate it. If you don't, that's fine too. I fully understand. Money's tight sometimes. I fully understand. But if you feel like supporting us and you feel like that's something you would like to do, hey, we really would appreciate that. So, with that being said, I hope everybody's having a great day, and thank you so much. Helping out the channel, helping out us, we really would appreciate it, and thank you so much for all your support.